Hey friends, let's learn about ocean animals. Do you know what is this? It's a star. Yeah, it's a starfish. Hey friends, I'm octopus. I live in the water. Hi, I'm seahorse. Hello friends, I'm narwhal. Hi, I'm turtle. Hey friends, do you know who I am? I am crab. Hey friends, I am dolphin. Hey, I am whale. Do you know what is this? It's a jellyfish. Oh wow. Hey, I know this. It's a mermaid. Yeah, I am mermaid. Hi, I am mermaid. Hey friends, do you know me? I am lobster. Hi, I am shrimp. Hey friends, I am squid. Friends, I am seal. Hey, I am penguin. Penguin. Starfish. Starfish. Yeah, I am starfish. Do you know me who I am? I am octopus. Octopus. Hey friends, do you know me? I am seahorse. Seahorse. Hey, I am narwhal. Narwhal. Hey guys, you know me? I am sea turtle. Hey guys, do you know me? I am crab. Friends, I am dolphin. Dolphin. Hi, I'm whale. Whale. Do you know me? I am shark. Shark. Hey guys, do you know me? I looks like a jelly and I am jellyfish. Hi, I am mermaid. Mermaid. Friends, I am lobster. I am lobster. Lobster. Hi, I'm shrimp. Shrimp. Do you know me? I'm squid. Squid. Hey friend, I'm seal. Seal. Hi, I'm penguin. Penguin.